Okay, ma. Now we see the next problem. Discuss the transformation of W is equal to sin z using example. You see the difference, ma. In last problems we have given the curve in the z plane. The curve may be straight line or circle or triangle, anyone. But here it is not given. Only given the transformation only. For that curve, you let the example. We have to see that one. Solution. Only we have given the transformation W is equal to sin z. First you rewrite this sin z function. W is equal to sin, in place of z you put x plus iy. Sin a plus b formula is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. In place of a we have x, in place of b we have iy. Use the sin a plus b formula, sin x cos iy plus cos x sin iy. In place of w in LHS put u plus iv. Sin x as it is, cos iy is cos hy. Already I have told in the last classes. Cos iy is cos hy, sin iy is I sin hy. So substitute here sin x in place of cos iy, cos hy. Then cos x sin iy means I into sin hy. Now compare the real and imaginary parts. The real part in LHS u, RHS is equal to sin x cos hy. So u is equal to sin x cos hy and v is equal to cos x sin hy. Okay, ma? This is about the transformation. Only this is given in the problem. Now what about the z plane curve? In z plane you let the example that is given in the problem. You take any example. Straight line is very simple curve. That's why we take simple one. Complicated enduku తీసుకుంటాం, చిన్నది తీసుకున్నాం. Example, let z plane a straight line x is equal to c. This is x is equal to c curve in z plane, ma. Okay, now only transformation is given. This z plane curve line, we take this one. Okay, two parts completed. Now what is the image in w plane? Third part in w plane. From this transformation you write y terms. What is from this equation? What is cos hy, ma? Cos hy is u by sin x, right here. Similarly sin hy, v by cos x. Okay, ma? In w plane, from the transformation we write these two. Do you know anything about cos hy and sin hy? Any relation between these two? Okay, we see. We know that cos square hy minus sin square hy is equal to 1. This is the formula, ma, fundamental formula. Okay, see here cos hy, already you noted u by sin x. Here cos square hy means u square by sin square x, v square by cos square x here, because sin hy is v by cos x, square is there, so v square by cos square x is equal to 1. Now you put x is equal to c, which is curve in the z plane. Put in place of x c. This is the curve. Okay, now u square numerator as it is, in place of x put c, it becomes denominator sin square c minus v square by cos square c is equal to 1. Okay, ma, c is any constant. Suppose you assume c is 30. Now what is sin c? 1 by 2. That means if c is constant, sin c is constant, also constant. So you take it as a. Sin c is a anukunte, sin square c is a square. So numerator u square by a square minus, let cos c is b, cos square b is b square. Okay, now this equation becomes u square by a square minus v square by b square is equal to 1, which indicates, anybody know this one? Which indicates a hyperbola. The diagram is like this. Hyperbola diagram is like this. Okay, ma? So the image of line x is equal to c. This is in z plane. Line is in z plane. The image of this line is transformed as hyperbola in w plane under the transformation w is equal to sin z, which is the given transformation. Okay, ma? Now we see the next problem, but the difference is in previous problem w is equal to sin z, but here w is equal to cos z. That is only the difference. Here also we have given the transformation only. Take the example. Transformation, what is transformation? W is equal to cos z. Okay, in place of z you put x plus iy as usual in the previous problem. Now W is equal to cos x plus Iy. What is cos A plus B? Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So substitute that formula, cos x cos Iy minus sin x sin Iy. Okay. Now W is equal to U plus Iv. W is equal to U plus Iv. Cos x as it is, cos Iy is cos Hy. Already I have told in the previous problem also. Minus sin x as it is, sin Iy is I into sin Hy. Now we get an equation. In LHS, the real part is U. In RHS, the real part is cos x cos Hy. So equate the real parts. We get U is equal to cos x cos Hy. Similarly, equate the imaginary parts. V is equal to minus sin x sin Hy. So from this transformation, we get UV values. This is only we have given in the problem. Transformation is only given. There is no curve in the jet plane we have given in the problem. So we take as example, in jet plane you take y is equal to c, which is also a straight line. Okay ma. Now we have in jet plane y is equal to c. This is line. We take this as example. You take this one. We have not given in the problem. We take this one. So we have jet plane, a line, transformation. Then what is the image in the W plane of this line? We are going to observe that. So for jet plane, for W plane, let this equations from this transformation. What is cos x here? Cos x is U by cos Hy. And what is sin x from this equation? This is minus V by sin Hy. Is there any relation between cos and sin x's? It is very simple formula. Already we know. We know that cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. Put cos x is this one. Cos x is this one. What is cos square x? U square by cos square Hy. Okay. Similarly, this sin square x. Sin x is this. Okay. Minus V by sin Hy. Okay ma. Here sin x is minus value. Sin square x is plus value. Okay. Sin square x kabatti minus whole square means plus avutundi. So sin x place lo V by sin Hy. Sin square x means V square by sin H square y. Okay ma. As usual, here y is equal to c. Some constant substitute in this equation. What we get? We see here. Put y is equal to c. You have cos H square y means cos H square c. Similarly, sin H square y means sin H square c. Okay ma. Next, u square by a square plus v square by b square is equal to 1, which indicates an ellipse. మీరు లోయర్ క్లాసెస్లో చదివేస్తుంటారు. ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వై స్క్వేర్ బై బీ స్క్వేర్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 గివ్స్ అన్ ఎలిప్స్ అని. అది ఎక్స్ వై యాక్సిస్ అయితే డబ్ల్యూ ప్లేన్ కాబట్టి మనకి యూవీ యాక్సిస్ వచ్చింది. సో ఫర్ యూవీ యాక్సిస్ యూ స్క్వేర్ బై ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ వి స్క్వేర్ బై బీ స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 1 గివ్స్ అన్ ఎలిప్స్. నౌ వాట్ ఈస్ ద కన్క్లూషన్ మా? We take y is equal to c in z plane and given transformation is w is equal to cos z. We get the image of this line y is equal to c is an ellipse in w plane. Okay, write that conclusion. The image of line y is equal to c అంటే ఇది z plane లోది. దీని image వచ్చేసి is transformed as ellipse u square by a square plus v square by b square is equal to 1. Under the transformation w is equal to cos z. Okay ma. Ikkada we start the transformation. See the topics we have covered here. Even topics cover chestam transformations. Danlo a special type of transformation is bilinear transformation. Dani meeda problems chestunam. Next vachesi images chestunam. Ippudu dini madhyalo konni fixed points meeda problems chestunam. Okay, this one is the conformal mapping. A type of conformal mapping is bilinear transformation and so on. This is the last part of the unit 1. Okay.